Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to find your solution about Google Drive. To know how to find the solution about Google Drive not working, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Google Drive. Then this page of app info we click on Forcestop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.